Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a true icon in the motocross world, the new 2026 Yamaha YZ 125. Known for its lightweight agility, explosive two-stroke power, and race-ready performance, the YZ 125 has long been a favorite among competitive riders and enthusiasts alike. The 2026 model refines this classic with modern updates, making it more exciting and capable than ever. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this YZ 125 continues to dominate the track. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ 125 arrives with a refreshed motocross-ready design that balances performance and style. Yamaha has updated the bodywork and graphics for a modern, aggressive look while keeping the bike lightweight and streamlined. The slim frame, ergonomic seat, and high-quality plastics ensure comfort and control during intense riding sessions. The new color options and decals give riders a fresh, bold presence on and off the track. Performance and powertrain. Powering the 2026 YZ 125 is a high-performance 125cc two-stroke engine, tuned for instant throttle response and peak power delivery. Lightweight components and a responsive powertrain make this bike perfect for tight corners and jumps. The upgraded suspension enhances handling on rugged tracks, while improved braking ensures riders can push harder with confidence. Safety and technology. While designed for performance, Yamaha has focused on reliability and rider control. High-quality brakes and suspension systems provide predictable handling in every condition. Ergonomic controls and improved balance make the YZ 125 manageable for riders of varying experience, while durable components ensure it can withstand the rigors of motocross racing. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ 125 remains a top choice for motocross enthusiasts, thanks to its lightweight design, explosive performance, and modern refinements. Whether you're racing competitively or hitting the local track, the YZ 125 is built to deliver peak performance. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.